So now coming to environmental pollution, so there are different types of pollution. First, let's talk about air pollution. So India has formulated related to air pollution an act called Air Act 1981. So there are basically two type of air pollutants. One is primary air pollutant and other is secondary pollutants. So what does primary pollutant means? It is formed by itself, means it is not formed by combining with any other compound. So it exists by itself. Like SO2 exists as SO2, NO2 exists as NO2. So now let's understand simply about the secondary. So it is a secondary pollutants are formed by interaction with primary pollutants. So what? Let's say O3 is example of secondary pollutant. It is formed by O2 free radical of oxygen combined with O2 oxygen. So then ozone O3 is formed. Simply another example is PAN, peroxyethyl nitrate. It is formed by the combination of hydrocarbon and nitrous oxide. So these are the difference between the primary pollutant and secondary pollutant. So there is an index for the measurement of these air pollutions. So one is firstly we have earlier National Ambient Air Quality Standards, which basically calculates 12 parameters. It was given by CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. So the 12 parameters or the 12 pollutants which it consider here is particulate matter 10, particulate matter 2.5, SO2, nitrous dioxide, carbon oxide, ozone, NH3, lead. And these are 8. Next, another 4 is benzene, benzopyrene, arsenic, and nickel. Simply you can remember this as B square Al. So these 8 plus 4, so total 12. And in since 2014, so we are using this National Air Quality Index instead of NAAQ, National Ambient Air Quality Standard. So we are using this Air Quality Index. So basically, it has 8. So it calculates 8 pollutants. So these are the 8 pollutants. So basically, you can say National Air Quality Index is subset of National Ambient Air Quality Standard, and this AQI has 6 categories, so which are ranging from good, satisfactory, moderately, polluted, poor, very poor, and severe. So based upon the different levels of these 8 pollutants, CPCB will be categorizing into these 6. So in air pollution, most of the air pollution that which air pollutant is common is basically carbon monoxide (CO), then followed by SO2 and NO2. So these three are the top 3 air pollutants. Next major source of air pollutant is transport, which constitutes around more than 45%, and next is followed by industries. Remember, industries is not the first, but rather transport is the major contributor or major source of air pollution. Next, coming to water pollution. So there are two types of water pollution can be formed because of majorly two reasons, two types. One is through point source and other is through non-point source. What does the point source mean? So we know the origin from where this pollution or water is getting polluted, like industries. And what is non-point source means we can't track the origin of reason behind this water getting polluted. Example simply is drainage. India also has formulated a Water Act of 1964 under which CPCB was established. CPCB was at national level and SPCB, State Pollution Control Board, was state level. So diseases associated with water pollution, these are some of the things which we need to remember. So first is black foot disease, so which is because of arsenic pollution. So next is blue baby syndrome, which is because of nitrate pollution. Next is ouch ouch disease because of cadmium, and Minamata because of mercury. And also remember the geographical regions where this pollution is concentrated. So basically this arsenic pollution is majorly concentrated in West Bengal region, and the fluoride pollution is majorly concentrated in Andhra Pradesh region, and this uranium pollution is mostly happening in Gujarat and Rajasthan regions. And some other minor important pollutions are like soil pollution, radioactive pollution, and plastic pollution. Also, there will be some like e-waste pollution. So there are many miscellaneous types of pollutions.